Welcome to Screener, AlphaLens's real-time universe builder. Screener allows you to create custom universes using live market data, so symbols can automatically enter or exit the universe throughout the trading day as conditions change. To begin, use the builder on the left side of the widget. Select any indicator from the panel to add it as a condition. Conditions can be customized using greater than, less than, or range-based values depending on the data type. For example, you may build a screen for U.S.-listed financial services stocks where market capitalization is above $100 million, last price is above $10, and change close percent is greater than 1%. In addition, you can further narrow the universe by setting home country to United States and industry to financial services. Manual overrides can also be used to include or exclude specific securities from the universe. Once your conditions are in place, select Submit to run the screen. Matching symbols will appear in the results grid and continue updating in real time. Click on any column header to sort the results. Validation mode can be enabled from the Settings menu to display additional validation columns, allowing you to view the underlying values used in your screen conditions. Conditions can be turned on or off at any time, allowing you to test ideas without removing them. Completed universes can be saved and reused in strategies, scanners, and other workflows across AlphaLens. With Screener, you can build flexible, live updating universes tailored to your trading process.